outside Japan, Coca-Cola vending machines are quite common, like this one. But here, we also have different stuff, like in winter, they sell hot drinks. You can see it says "atatakai," so that means warm hot drinks. And then it says here for cold drinks, "tsumetai." Basically, if it's color blue, that means it's cold. So if it's color red, that means it's warm. You could have like a warm lemonade juice, some kind of corn soup, I guess, and coffee in a can. They also have like ice cream. They sell ice cream.
17 ice.
And then also protein bar. They also sell protein bars.
So which one?
Right.
This one? Chocolate?
Yeah, sure.
150 yen.
150 yen. Okay, and then
It's small.
it sure is. But yeah, that's ice cream.
Anyway.
That's our ice cream vending machine video. Thank you for watching.